Hey guys, Mr. Graham, another video for you. This is kind of going to be like a quick combination of the last two videos, like a skills reminder. And who's got the skills? Do you got the skills? Let's find out. Press play on the timer, and let's deal with this stuff down here. First, multiplication. 821 times 31. Well, you could, if you're having a hard time remembering, use the turtle head method. Ooh, it's a turtle head. Ooh, look at that, look at that. And remember that 1 times 1 is 1, then 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 8 is 8. That wasn't so bad, was it? But then the turtle lays an egg for the next number. Bloop, that's really a 0, you know that already. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 8, the hardest one yet, but not that hard, 24. In the end, all we got to do is add all of that up. 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, 8 plus 6 is 14, carry our 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, and 2 all by himself is still 2. Whew! That was quick. Rewind and watch it again if you have to. But that one wasn't so bad. That's the one you hope you see on the test. Nice and easy. Now we're on to division. 9. How many times does 9 fit into 812? Well, you've got to know your times tables first of all. Don't think of it as a whole number. Think of it as just the 81 part, okay? So 9 goes into 81. Come on. 9 times 9, that's 81. You divide, you multiply, you subtract. These are the steps. And then you bring down. Does 9 go into 2? 9's too big for 2. So you got to put 9 goes into 2 0 times. It can't go in there. 9 times 0 is 0. You do your subtraction. Pretty easy. 2 minus 0. And since we have nothing left to bring down, we're done. The answer, 90 with a remainder of 2. That's a really ugly R, guys. Sorry about that. We move on, and we remind ourselves of how to find the percentage of a number. Let's do this guy right here. 24% of 650. Well, take that 650. Take it. Then take that 24. Yeah. Remember that that percent sign travels down here and turns 24 into a decimal. And make this a multiplication problem. If you can multiply this out, you can find a right answer. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus the 2 is 26. Yay, we carried the 2. Yay. Now we can have our turtle head. Remember the turtle head? You remember the turtle head. He's got to lay an egg. And we can keep going again. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10, but you got to carry the 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus the 1. So 12 plus 1 is 13. Now we add it all up. 0 plus 0, ha, 0. 0 plus 0, ha, 0. 6 plus 0, ha, 6. 2 plus 3, come on, it's easy. 5. 1 by itself, still 1. And the final step. Remember that we had a decimal here. And that we had one little number, 2 little numbers to the right of the decimal. So we had 2 of them. So that means we got to come down here to our final answer, start on the side, and since we had 2 numbers to the decimal, we jump 2 times. 1, 2. There it goes. Final answer, 156.00. We don't really need those zeros though. Sorry about that, guys. 156 would have been fine by itself too. How about this? Can you tell me the decimal equivalent of 5 over 6? You can't memorize that one. You have to divide. You can't memorize it because it's going to be a little too ugly. Sorry, it's true. So you take the numerator and you put them in the box. You take the denominator and you put them outside the division box. Then you add your decimal bloop, and a 0. Woo. Now you can divide to figure out what this fraction is as a decimal equivalent. 6 goes into 50, 8 times. I know my times tables. 6 times 8, that's 48. Sorry guys, we're going to finish this. Now you got to subtract. 50 minus 48 is going to be 2. We should bring down another 0. Let's do it. 6 goes into 20 3 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 20 minus 18. I'm going to keep going right over here. Sorry if that's distracting to you. 20 minus 18 is 2. Bring down another 0. Oh boy. It's going to be another 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 20 I have a feeling that this is going to repeat for a while. And if you ever get that feeling, just stop. Seriously. No one wants to do math forever. We have 3 numbers over here. That's good enough. Just remember that this decimal flies up there at the end. So 5/6 as a decimal is actually 0.833. You're not going to get this by watching me do it one time. You're not. You're only going to get this by practicing it multiple times so that the steps stick in your head. But feel free to watch this over again if you want. The timer already went off. We'll go over the rest in class, guys. Please, 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 it's in a video. If you need to see it again, press play again. Do it. I command you. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye.